basic things you should know about text. First off, let's go to the text tool, and I'm going to change all these numbers around. And I'm not knowing what I'm doing, and I'm just changing these around. All right, then I'm going to type something. Today. Well, today is in the middle of, well, on the side middle of this box. And if I pump it up to 150, it looks squished and weird. Well, this is what happens when students get on a computer. So what happens is I show you how to reset it. Over here under typography, I can click down and drop down and then hit reset panel. Okay, resets it back to normal. And over here I can type in 150 and everything is right in the world again. Next, common thing most asked about type. How do I rotate it? Well, in Photoshop, you would just simply go to the outside edge and rotate it. In Illustrator, that doesn't work. You have to go to the rotate tool to rotate text. Just like that. Another way you can rotate, but it's not the same. You can go like this, and it'll rotate the actual font itself. So you can put things on an angle if you wanted to. This is shown because I have options on. So in other words, if I had hide options, you do not see this. But if you say show options, you have the ability to rotate the font. Again, if I don't want that, I can go in here and say reset panel and put it back down or back up to 150. Next, over here, I have the type vertical tool. Now, if I want to highlight all the stuff, all the font here, I can hit Command A. That'll highlight the A and the Y, which I can't see. And if I want it so it all displays, I can adjust this. Okay? So what I'm going to do is just adjust this down. It's a lot easier just to come over here and adjust it. And if you still don't get the right amount, you can go like type in the amount, -200 or something like that. Again, hitting Command A is very invaluable. So I'm going to shrink this down until it all shows up. Sometimes it's much easier to get everything into view and then try to figure out if you're going to expand it and make it any bigger. So now that I know the room here, I can now increase the font size. Again, everything is the same. If I want to rotate this, if I rotate it, it looks like that. If I rotate it based upon this, I can rotate it like this. Cool. So those are just some basic stuff you should know about type. Paragraph. Okay, just know that here is the ability to center, line bottom, line right, line top. These have been haunting the student ever since they had Microsoft Word for the very first time. So I don't have to go over this. But I guess that's really all I need to kind of cover is the fact that rotation is a little bit different and spacing between letters is a little bit different. So enjoy.